Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina here at the Whitewater Preserve. We've been here many times, have done many videos here, but today we're doing something new. We're actually doing the Canyon Loop Trail. It's a 3.5 mile loop trail. First time we're ever doing it. It's got some switchbacks. It's going to take us up on this ridge back here, and we got Christina and Susan up in front of me. Here we go, guys. We met Matt from
Lead Me Outdoors.
I'm sorry, Matt.
That's alright. It's alright. Got Izzy and Marvin here. They just did an overnight. Went out to Red Dome and then went up to the left up in the canyon there and just kind of stayed by the river all night. And so had
very
a great
cool.
time. You know, it's his first time that they ever gone backpacking.
They carry their own snacks.
Very cool.
Yeah. So they usually day hike, but.
Hey guys, it's Mike. We just met Matt from Lead Me Outdoors. He was coming back from a solo trip up the Whitewater Canyon with his 2 dogs. Pretty cool. Matt's a good guy. Check out his channel. It's Lead Me Outdoors. I'll put a link in the description for his channel. Check him out. Crossing over the Whitewater River again.
Some of those steps are really awkward.
Okay guys, we're going to be doing the Canyon View Loop, 3 miles. Okay guys, if you notice, we're gaining altitude pretty quick. I'm probably only a couple hundred feet, but morning. This is the steepest part of the trail. We're almost to the top. It's the Whitewater Canyon behind us. Okay guys, we've made it to the top. Hey guys, there's the Whitewater Preserve I've never seen it from this view. Check out San Jacinto with all the snow. PCT's right up there. Then we got Christina and Susan. Both doing really good. Another view of the preserve from up here on the hill. I think the elevation we've gained on this hike was around 600 feet. Okay guys, we're at the end of the trail. We got about, I want to say about a quarter-mile hike up the road back to the car, where we're gonna have lunch, and then we got to get out of here. We got things we got to do. It was 3.5 miles. It was a nice little hike. Now we're on the road, so hey guys, if you liked what you've seen, please like,
Comment and subscribe.
and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there.